Patches 101, Sewing versus Ironing.
Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of patches. Specifically, we'll be discussing the key differences between sewing on a patch and ironing one on. Both methods have their merits, but knowing when and how to use each is essential for any DIY enthusiast.
What is sewing a patch?
Sewing a patch involves using a needle and thread to securely attach a patch to a piece of fabric. Pros: durability. Sewn patches tend to be more durable and can withstand regular wear and tear, including washing and drying. Flexibility. You can choose specific thread colors to either blend in or contrast with the patch or fabric. Cons: time-consuming. Sewing requires more time and skill compared to ironing. Equipment: needles, threads, and sometimes a sewing machine are required.
What is ironing a patch?
Ironing a patch, on the other hand, involves using an adhesive-backed patch that's activated by heat. Once the adhesive is melted, using an iron, the patch sticks to the fabric. Pros: speed. Ironing on a patch is generally quicker than sewing. Ease. No need for sewing skills. If you can use an iron, you can iron on a patch. Cons: durability. While iron-on patches are secure, they may not withstand repeated washings or heavy wear as well as sewn patches. Permanent. Removing an ironed-on patch can be tricky, and it might leave residue on the fabric.
Which method should I choose?
The method you choose largely depends on your needs and skills. For a quick fix, ironing on a patch might be the way to go. For something more permanent, sewing is recommended. If you're looking for a blend, some people choose to iron on a patch for immediate attachment and then sew the edges for added durability. Whether you're sewing or ironing on a patch, both methods offer a fantastic way to personalize and repair your items. We hope this breakdown helps you in your next DIY project. Happy patching!